Assalamu alaikum everyone, and yeah, hi, my name is Muhammad Shah and welcome to another episode of Toca Tech Unboxing. It's another day and we got ourselves another product to unbox on this channel. It's an A4 Tech R80 bloody gaming mouse. And guys, by any chance if you're wondering why I'm buying gaming peripherals from the same company, this is only because I bought one product before from this company and found it really responsive. And since being responsive is a key thing to a gamer, not to brag, but yeah, I'm a pro gamer too. I play Pink Panther. And I have an account on Twitch called Pink Panther Pro. Pun intended. Moving on, now you can be a pro gamer too if you watch all my videos non-stop for 100 times. The link is given in the description. So without wasting more of your time, let's get started. So the very first thing you notice on the box is the bloody A4 Tech branding in the center, and on the top right you get a skull logo, and on the bottom left you get the name of the device, that is R80 bloody gaming wireless mouse. Then on the side of the box there is information about the software you can download from Bloody's official website. There is some information about its feature, tracking, response time, and at the end there is a QR code, which I know I don't need to tell you. And on the back you get your skull logo. Let's just open the box. So the very first thing you get are misplaced bloody sticker, which I think are very cool, but we'll set them aside for a second, yeah? This is the mouse viewing area, giving you a glimpse of what you're getting on the racks in the stores, if you're getting what I mean. There is some information on the left, and there is some there is some tape on the bottom side, and which means it's time to call out our underdog, the Terminator, the Toca. Yo, let's get on with it. Check this sleek cut, yeah? I know I'm getting better. So we are in. Let's take out a mouse expeditiously. There's your mouse there. There is your user manual and your paper stuff. And then there is more paper stuff. Your warranty card. Then there is your standard micro USB cable and your anti-interference dock. Let's take our mouse out from the box. Oh man, this is looking nice. And no, I seriously mean that. There you go, that's all the package content. So let's talk about the mouse. The mouse has a very clean look. The skull logo printed on it also looks great. The scroll has a nice rubbery touch to it. Then there are 3 buttons on it, which we will customize them later. And on the side it has nice rubbery texture and also 2 macro keys. The chassis of the mouse is built for the right hand user, but left hand user can also use it without feeling uncomfortable. And yeah, I almost forgot, the nano receiver is in the back of the mouse. Let's quickly boot it up. One more cool thing, you can change the mouse scroll LED light from the colors red, green and orange by pressing the 1 and 3 buttons on the top of the mouse. And finally, you can customize your mouse button by using your bloody software, which you can download from the Bloody's official website. I've downloaded it and I'm running Bloody 6. On it you can customize your mouse button, your sensitivity settings of the mouse. There are some pre-built mouse settings which you can choose if you're not feeling it to customize yourself. In the sensitivity setting you can change your CPI settings ranging from 800 to 3200 CPI, and your polling rate from 125 Hz to 500 Hz. Now this device is made for longevity. It has an ultra durability of 20 million clicks. Now I can click to my hard content without worrying about it being decrepit. I'm getting in my Shakespeare mode, yeah? So that's it for the unboxing, yeah? If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any opinion, no, seriously, if you have anything to say, just do hit the comment section. I would love to respond to your comments. And yeah, until the next episode, until the next video, Khuda Hafiz, and yeah, bye.